If you're seeing error 9000 on itch.io, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to browsing, downloading, or uploading without the frustration. This issue is often caused by a temporary connection problem, a VPN conflict, cached browser data, or simply a login glitch. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and step-by-step guides. All right, let's jump in. First, refresh the page. This sounds simple, but it's often the fastest way to clear a temporary loading issue on itch.io. If the page didn't load properly the first time, a refresh can reconnect you to the site and remove the error instantly. You can use the refresh button in your browser, or press Ctrl and R on Windows, or Command and R on Mac. After refreshing, give the page a moment to reload fully and see whether error 9000 is gone. If the error is still showing, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop itch.io from loading correctly, especially if the site is trying to verify your session or load account data. Try opening another website to see if it loads normally. If other sites are slow too, your connection may be the problem. In that case, reconnect to your Wi-Fi, restart your router, or switch to a more stable network if possible. Once your connection is stable, go back to itch.io and try again. Another common cause is VPN use. If you have a VPN turned on, turn it off and reload the page. Some websites, including itch.io, may flag VPN traffic or have trouble verifying requests coming from a VPN server. Disabling it can immediately fix the issue. After turning off the VPN, close the itch.io tab, open it again, and try logging in or loading the page one more time. If you're still getting error 9000, clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores temporary files that can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause site errors like this one. Go into your browser settings, find the Clear Browsing Data option, and remove cached images and files. You usually do not need to clear everything unless necessary. Clearing the cache is often enough. After that, restart your browser completely and return to itch.io to test it again. Now, if none of those steps worked, log out of your itch.io account and log back in. Sometimes the error is caused by a broken session or a temporary account authentication problem. Logging out resets that session and forces the site to create a fresh one. Once you sign back in, check whether the error disappears. If you use multiple accounts or browser profiles, make sure you're logging into the correct one. And finally, if you've tried everything and error 9000 is still there, try again later. In many cases, this error is temporary and may be related to itch.io's own servers or a brief service issue. Waiting a little while and coming back later can solve it without any extra steps. If the site is still down after some time, you can also check if other users are reporting issues, which can help confirm whether it's a platform-wide problem. So to quickly recap, refresh the page, check your internet, turn off your VPN, clear your cache, log out and log back in, and if needed, wait and try again later. These are the most effective fixes for itch.io error 9000, and they solve the issue for most users. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.